Wish all the hashtags, likes and tweets will find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yeah, I know you never seen nothing like this before. Yeah, but this is different. You had to search to find some self-comfort.
We've arrived at the Dunkin' Donuts by Creek. The boys are enjoying their Dunkin' right now. We're about to hit a nice sesh. It's gonna be like 70 degrees.
More wake up round.
You!
Dylan brought out the footy machine, baby.
Oh yeah.
Footy maker. Yeah, I might be moving to this more. How much games?
I think I'm gonna tell my story right now.
Of what?
How my school shut down.
Oh yeah.
Tell that. So,
We gotta look dumb.
no dude, look at my bowl cut right now.
Look at my bowl cut.
Alright.
We're both rocking the bowl cuts all year this year.
So basically, I should be in school right now, but at around 11-ish last night, we get an email that my school, Hofstra University in Long Island, was shut down because of coronavirus. Now, I don't
Wait.
Oh. I thought you were talking about that car.
Do you think they heard that? Don't put that in.
Why not?
Maybe.
Yeah, so I guess someone's being tested in my school right now for coronavirus, so they shut down the school all week, and then the next week I have spring break. So now off for 2 weeks, and this guy wanted me to snowboard today, so we are here. We're gonna get it.
It's hot out.
It's hot out right now, so
Bacon, egg, and cheese.
yeah, bacon, egg, and cheese. We'll see you on the mountain. We'll get some wipeouts, and that'll be it. You guys see that? That's the mountain. We made it, and we just got word that it's at. What's up?
We're bombing it. Get in the car. We're going.
We just got. We just got word the mountain's actually closed.
I gotta drive up.
We're who's boss?
Yeah, so we drove. Well, Ethan drove like 3 hours
Nope,
to get
I'm mad
here.
now.
And this guy
You
tells
gotta
us,
give me gas money.
this
Now
guy
I'm
tells
mad.
us it's closed, and we already bought the tickets and stuff. So we
Dude,
might
why
be
did I know
screwed.
this was gonna happen?
Dude, what?
Are we going inside to talk to him?
Yeah.
You guys gotta get your money.
I'm gonna curse him out.
It's gonna be like
I'm going to that.
You're gonna curse him
Dude,
out?
I could have been sleeping.
Oh, who cares?
I could have been fishing. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I just drove 3 hours to get in.
No. Go to Shawnee.
Shawnee?
Yeah, Shawnee is open.
I'm not going to Sean.
Okay?
That's a little far.
That's where my son's going.
Your son's a loser. Yes.
We got our vouchers. We're gonna get our money back later, but we don't know what to do right now.
Make Mountain Creek liable.
Yeah.
Yeah, they want to hit jumps, just like on their own, hiking up the mountain.
We're gonna
Send the tame dog.
We seriously might get arrested.
25 minutes. Free got. Yo, those are nice.
These are
They're
actually
Smiths.
sick.
Those are sick.
Smith?
Yeah. Those are mad expensive goggles.
I'm cop.
The trip was worth it.
It was worth it. These things are sick.
Some nice parking lot goggles.
Before we start going to Mount Peters,
Wait, how far is it?
25 minutes.
That's it?
This is Alex. Can I help you?
Hello? Hello?
Hello, can I help you?
Hi, so we just came from Mountain Creek and apparently they're closed and I'm pretty upset about it. Are you guys open for skiing and riding?
Yes, we are. We're open till 5 today.
How much are lift tickets?
$43 for an all-day pass.
Is there any way we could cut that in half maybe?
That is
That's for the BOGO.
if you're holding somebody else's pass.
Oh, okay. There's no BOGO. There's no BOGO double discount.
No.
We made it to some sort of mountain. What is this? Is this Mount Peter?
Mount Peter?
Mount Peter. I think we're hiking up the park. We're gonna see what we can do. We're about to head out. Look at these guys.
The clown.
Yo. You. We tried to walk up the mountain. We made it like 5 feet, and they told us we couldn't. So now we're gonna have to buy tickets.
Look.
We're on the lift right now. Gonna hit the first run. You! The mountain looks pretty nice, actually. It's a little bit more than Creek was, but that's all right. Creek wasn't even open, so this mountain's already better than it. Conditions look pretty good.
Skirt, skirt, top.
Matt took the words right out of my mouth, so we'll see you guys on the first run. Ethan, slow down! We're gonna hit a race, me, Matt, and Ethan, straight to the bottom. We're out here shedding more layers. Ethan and Matt are evolving. It's literally like summer out right now.
Yeah, but this is different. You deserve to find some self-comfort. So find a way to it's all for nothing. And we fight and beg and greed, and then we go and act like something. And our hearts burn with the heat of 1,000 suns. Yeah, and we cry out loud, 'cause we just want attention. Alright, and we feel alive from a fake medium. Yeah, I won't accept it.
Explain to the viewers what.
I think I sent her a little too hard.
What happened there, bud?
I don't know. It just went down in the slush. I was trying to get the follow cam. No. Did not go well.
Give us the elbow.
Yo, that's nuts.
Put a little snow
If
on
you
it.
did a one run, it'd be 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Look at that.
Ew. Cover that up.
Oh god.
Yo, loose change.
Oh god.
Oh no.
Hate to see it.
So we were going up the lift and we looked down and saw some sort of carcass, so we're going to check it out.
Oh god.
Oh, Matt found it, Matt found it. Matt, where is it? Where is it?
I mean, there's parts right there.
Yeah, oh my god, dude, look. Oh god. We got a bone.
Don't touch it. That's a full-on bone, bro. What the
We
hell?
found bones. Matt, where was it?
It was up further.
Did you see it?
Yeah. It's like not the whole thing's there. I don't know what the hell it is.
Who's throwing snowballs at me?
Dude, I swear there's a bone.
Ow! Ethan's pelting me with snowballs from that ledge. Yeah, you guys can see it, hopefully. It's a full rib cage.
It's a full-on rib cage, bro.
Oh! So those bones you just saw, Matt claims they're a deer, right?
Definitely a deer.
No, I think they're deer.
Deer.
See, I 100% think it was a person, and I got my confirmation. The guy asked me at the bottom of the lip, what'd you find? I said some bones. You know what he told me?
What?
That's the last person that didn't put the safety bar down.
That's why they're so strict.
Yeah. Local legend has it Benjamin fell off the lift.
Benny. Little Benny.
Yeah, little Benny. He was hanging on for 5 whole minutes.
And they didn't bother to clean up his bones.
It's a message to all the other children. Always put the safety bar down. You. Oh god. God damn.
Wait. Not connected.
Peep these conditions. Claim on the session, everybody.
What up, council? Pretty solid session. It was a melted powder day. I'd rate it a 7 out of 10 on the day.
7 out of 10, Ethan?
I rated it. It was an unexpected day, so I give it an 8 out of 10 for the circumstances and the condition.
All right, you know what?
Gotcha.
I'm gonna
Aiden?
top him. I'm throwing the 9 out of 10.
Not, oh.
Well, last review, saved the best for last. I'm giving it a nice 9.1.
9.1.
9.1 for the boys.
Yeah, rated
Because little head assery at the beginning, you know, Mountain Creek not doing us right, but it is a-okay because we came out to Mount Peters, threw down a fat set.
Well, honestly, I made a profit on the day. Found some free goggles, got a free voucher from Mountain Creek.
Yeah.
That is Mountain Creek.
That's what I was gonna say. Like the fact that it's not Mountain Creek makes it a guaranteed 10 out of 10 session. So I'm
Anything
content.
that's not Mountain Creek.
Yeah.
Life and fate is given. So find a way to get lost. So find a way to get lost. Just find a way to get lost. Yeah, we'll find a
I just got home a few minutes ago and I'm freaking knocked out. So sorry if I'm low on energy. I had 2 5 a.m. wake ups the last 2 days for work. Woke up at 6 today, unexpectedly to snowboard, and I am exhausted. Overall, it was a really fun day. We didn't do any crazy snowboarding, but it was just a cool experience to go to this little different mountain. The whole Mountain Creek situation was really funny. We ended up getting vouchers for another day and refunds, so it all worked out in the end. The last thing I wanted to talk about in this video, a little bit more in depth, is the coronavirus thing. Not anything like crazy about it. I just wanted to put my thoughts out there. I think it's absolutely crazy what's going on, especially in the college scene in terms of coronavirus. Honestly, I don't know if it's the right decision or not. I can see both sides. On the one hand, I do think panic is getting a little bit too out of hand to the point that they're shutting all these schools down. But on the other hand, you don't want people getting infected. So I can really see both sides. Either way, I now have 2 weeks off because I was off this week because of the coronavirus situation, and I am off next week for spring break. So I have 2 weeks off, and even though it's for situations such as like a virus, it is giving me the opportunity to start making more videos. So stay tuned. I'm going to be surfing, especially now that Ethan's home. Surfing, I don't know if I'll snowboard again, but we'll see. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Subscribe. Like. Subscribe.